I like to use analogies when I can, and this one comes from the video on your left, the bicycle wheel physics and engineering, and it has to do with the similarities between riding your bicycle and piloting an airplane, and we'll just call it fly your bike. We can actually use this discussion to help inform us on how to ride our bicycle, particularly in a race. So we're going to compare airplanes and bicycles according to several factors. Let's compare airplanes and bicycles with respect to power, energy capacity, side wind, and efficiency measurement. With an airplane, power is measured in engine thrust. In a bicycle, it's the number of watts put out by the rider. With respect to energy capacity, in an airplane, gallons of fuel. In a bicycle, dissolved glycogen and fat. Side wind, yaw angle, and effective yaw angle. And in terms of efficiency measurement, an airplane flies at a certain airspeed, but with a bicycle we use watts as a way to measure our efficiency. I'll explain what I mean. In an airplane, flying at a certain airspeed gives us the best combination of fuel efficiency, range, and total time. On a bicycle, keeping track of my watts output gives me the best combination of consumption rate of glycogen and fat, endurance to complete a ride, and the total time. If I'm flying an airplane and I encounter some type of a headwind, either a direct headwind or a quartering headwind, I just accept the wind and continue to fly the same airspeed, because adding more power will simply reduce my efficiency. The equivalence on a bicycle when you encounter the same situation would be to not increase your power, but to maintain your same power output, because that is already what is going to give you the best efficiency in pedaling your bicycle, and you just accept the fact that you're going to go a little bit slower. Everybody else you're racing with is in the same situation. So, fly your bike. Here is my contact information. Thanks for watching.